Hello, my lovelies. Happy Monday. And it's the 16th today, 16th of December. So let's open the 16th. I've taken my charm bracelet. It's looking nice, isn't it? I did a little swap around. That was yesterday's. Little swap around so the colour it went how I thought it would look. Oh, I hope this isn't going to have something in it. Oh, it has. Oh, good. I was getting ready for a dangly one again. This is a set of bells, I think. Oh. That's really nice. So, I've got this off to a fine art now. When I thought that's how it fastened at the beginning, can you remember? Oh, now it's not going to do it, look. I thought I'd just unscrew it and put it on while you're here. That's not that. Well, yeah, it must be. That's the last one. I think it's my hands aren't working today, right? What's wrong with this now? It doesn't like you watching, does it? Oh, I can't unscrew it at this moment in time, but that will look very nice then next to the apple. I'll have to sort that out later. Doesn't want to be, it's camera shy. Okay then, so today's prompt, use a Christmas stamp, and it can be either, you know, postage stamp, that's how I'm going to utilize it, or you might have got a stamp that's got a Christmas image on it. It's still a Christmas stamp, so you've got a few choices there really. Now I've put a couple of charms on these. So that one has got a snowman, and then this one has got these ball pins. I always want to go back to front. This has got a Christmas stocking. Okay, so we've got day 16 ready there, and I've got day 16, so that was yesterday. Got day 16 ready here. I've got my stamp franking. Is it the franking sign that they put over stamps? And I've got two stamps that I've saved here. Oh, I've got a little bit of book page. So this has got, it's Edinburgh Cathedral on this second class stamp UK, and you can see it's being franked there. And then this Royal Mail North and West Yorkshire, and it's been stamped, the same stamp. So I'm going to put that one in there because I've decided that this other one is going to go in with the giveaway, and it'll be nice to have a little bit of a UK stamp on there. So let's have a look here. We've got some music. I've got this stamp. I wonder if I thought I might use this book page. I've bought a little envelope with my little scrap pieces in, just to see if there was anything. So I'm not over fussed of having that music paper there. I said we might cover it up. Didn't, but once we did the layouts. Is there anything else that I like the look of in here? Wildflower Dreams. That's more of a spring selection, I think. That might be quite nice. Let's have a go. We've got those two bits. We've got this. So I hope you've all had a good weekend. It's been quiet, but we're quite happy with that because this is a busy week. It's that last week run up to Christmas where you're trying to fit as many things in as possible, aren't you? Right, I quite like that there. And then that. I quite like that, roughly like that, so we'll put that in. Now, managed to rescue everything from yesterday's glue, where everything went wrong with the glue yesterday. I managed to rescue it, clean everything off, so it was about at the end, that fabric anyway, so it made me throw it out, which is probably a good thing. Okay, so we will put that on there. These are like nice, quick and easy. Not got too long. They're not too long for you to watch, because I know you'll be as busy as we are getting everything sorted. So it's just a little, hopefully a little pick-me-up every day. And then you can go about your Christmas preparation. Right, I'm liking that. See, do I want that over there? I think actually it looked nice in that. Stamps traditional. I wonder why they decided that they'd put stamps on the right hand side of envelopes. I wonder where that came from. That'd be interesting to know. If any of you know, let me know. Be interesting to know why not the left, why not at the bottom. And is it all over the world that they do that? Now I've lost my other piece. I need helping hand.
Oh.
I need birthday boy.
What?
Can you pick
Flambeau down here?
Yeah, it's flirted across the room again, as usual.
Okay. There's a stamp.
Thank you, darling.
Okay.
Yes, I'm going to, I've got this Versifine, which is in this ages, Monarch. It's like a purpley black, but it does work well, so crikey, it's well and truly stuck. I'm not bothered getting it off. There we go. Now then, that's quite a juicy one there, and I feel like I want to I've got a little Christmas word just to finish it off. I think I've got some more, some of, what else we got? Holly and the Ivy. Happy Holidays. I think that goes with the stamp theme. So we'll have that on there. I think I'll put it down a little bit. Scrap for my glue book. Right, that's nice. That's that one. Right, let's have a look at this one. Number 16 there. I thought that would be quite nice there, going up that side. So we'll commit to that. Short and sweet today, I think. Short and sweet. We're off out later. We're off out for lunch today. Okay, now I'll put a little bit of this on, but I don't want it to disturb the actual the proper one that's on there. Right, I've got 16 on there. Do I want anything else? Do I want a bit of book page or a bit of my quite like that actually. This is it's we did that, some stamping, inking up various things, inking and stamping, and then this is just the printed out, one of the printouts of that, scanned it in and printed it out. So that's there. What sentiment shall we have on this? I've got angel over on that side, the holly and the ivy. That's actually, that is quite nice, because it's got the music paper to go over with that. Let's chop it down a bit. That's nice. I want it there now. I think it looks better there. Right, so on that one we've got, I really like that because it's got the stamp of North and West Yorkshire on there. We've got the purpley colours to go with that. Yes, I like that. I think that will do it for today. Told you it was short and sweet. Right, tomorrow you're going to have two editions tomorrow. You've got to add something red. So you've got to add something red and a Christmas bauble. So that's two things for tomorrow. Something red and Christmas bauble. Okay then. Oh, there's Nelson. Probably posty. All right then, we'll let you go. Have a great day and we will see you. No, we're out tomorrow. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.